This is Jose Rodriguez with Got Credit. Some of you guys might know me as the Credit Dude, and today I'm bringing you another segment of just real, raw, and relevant credit information. So that way you could understand how credit works and how to pretty much, if your credit score is struggling, how to make it better. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the truth about credit repair that most people don't know. I've been doing credit repair for 15 years. And you've probably seen a lot of ads out there that say, hey, we can delete anything on your credit report in 30 days. Sometimes when it seems too good to be true, it is. The truth is that most of these companies promising these quick results is not real. I can tell you that here at Got Credit, we're not going to promise you a quick fix in 30 days because everybody's credit report is different. So I want to talk to you about what credit repair is, what credit is, okay, how credit repair actually works, and how you could actually use this to protect yourself from being scammed, all right? So let's dive right into what credit repair really is. Credit repair is you, myself, or another company, or pretty much the act of disputing anything that is inaccurate or negative on your credit report. It does not mean filing a fake police report or filing a fake identity theft affidavit if you were never a victim of identity theft to get things deleted from your credit report. Now, there is the Fair Credit Reporting Act that allows you as a consumer to dispute anything that you feel is inaccurate, unverifiable, or reporting outside the allowable time frame on your credit report. So this could be a late payment, collection, bankruptcy, inquiry, charge-off, repossession, foreclosure. Anything that you think is inaccurate, but that's also negative, you have the right to dispute this information. Now, the thing is if that information is accurate and comes back verifiable and is reporting within that 7-year time frame, then it's probably not going to come off. And there's no quick fix, magic pill, or fancy dispute letter that is going to get it deleted. On all you're pretty much going to be doing is hitting roadblock after roadblock and spending money that you probably don't need to get things off of your credit report, okay? So credit repair, guys, really is trying to clean up past mistakes. Now, if you keep having those same bad habits and those past mistakes creep up into the present and the future, then the credit repair probably is not going to assist you the way that you would want it to, because you're still doing things that are going to prevent you from having a great credit score and from having good credit. So you need to make sure that you're paying your bills on time, you're keeping your debt low, you're building good credit, you're practicing good habits, you're not overspending, you're not applying every month. When you do these things, you're pretty much putting yourself in a position to never need credit repair again. And I hope that is you. I hope that one day you just have amazing credit. And if you have amazing credit right now, protect it at all costs, because the one thing you don't want to do is be reactive. You want to be proactive with your credit, okay? So you also have the same legal rights as any credit repair company. Just like myself, you have the same rights that I do when it comes to fixing your credit and any other credit repair company out there. So you technically do not need to hire a credit repair company to fix your credit. It's something you could do on your own. You're like, why is this guy saying that you can fix your credit on your own when he has a credit repair company? Well, most people won't. Most people won't say that, but I can tell you that as long as you understand the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the Truth in Lending Act, the Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act. I mean, there's so many laws out there as a consumer that you can learn about to fix your credit on your own. The only thing that we do as a credit repair company is just help you save a little bit of time, and it's just a professional service. Just like if I was going to cut my hair on my own, I can, but I'd rather have my barber do it, which I know he's going to do it a lot better, all right? So if you have old things on your credit report, if you have negative things on your credit report, you can dispute those. But I can tell you, if you have a late payment from last month, but you failed to pay it this month, that's not credit repair. You got to pay your bills on time. Credit repair is always meant to fix the past, but you got to stop the bleeding right now in the present and the future to prevent that negative stuff from happening. So don't think that you're just going to go from credit repair company to credit repair company or fixing your credit with a dispute letter if you're not paying your bills on time, having things on auto pay, keeping your debt down, building credit. Those are the biggest things, guys. I can tell you that as long as you do those, you'll be good to go. All right. So let's go ahead and dive in to these 3 truths when it comes to fixing your credit and everything you need to know about credit repairs. Like I said, number one is you have the right, just like myself and any other credit repair company, when it comes to fixing your credit. Same power. You can look at your credit report. You can identify the inaccurate negative items on there, the negative accounts. You can file disputes with all 3 credit bureaus. Okay, you have Equifax, you have Experian, and you have TransUnion. Now, there are other major credit reporting agencies out there. There's Innovis, there's CoreLogic, there's SafeStream, there's Check Systems. Those are considered as secondary bureaus, okay, which I'm going to be talking about in other videos. But for this video, we're going to be talking about Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So you want to make sure that if you are going to be disputing stuff, that you understand what you're disputing. If you have a Capital One account and you're paying every single month, are you going to dispute that? No, there's no reason for you to dispute that. You don't have a late payment. Your credit card's not maxed out. So just be careful that you do not delete anything that's positive and helping your credit, because that could also have an adverse reaction on your credit report, which could then cause your credit score to drop. Okay, so make sure that if there's anything on your credit report that you think is inaccurate, make sure you have things like receipts of you paying, statements of you paying, screenshots of you paying. I know a lot of people when they pay their card, they take a screenshot of it and save it as proof. If you have that proof, make sure you're using this to help you with processing your disputes. And then also, if you had collections, but you paid something before it went to collections, these are some of the things that can help you when it comes to repairing your credit on your own. All right. And that's about it. These are some of the things that you might not realize is you can do the credit repair on your own. Well, how do I get my credit report? How do I know what's being done? Well, once you get a copy of your credit report, either from AnnualCreditReport.com, okay, you'll be able to get all 3 to stagnant credit report. There's no credit score and it doesn't update. Or you can go to GotCreditMonitoring.com. That's GOTCreditMonitoring.com, and you can get either a copy of your credit reports from Identity IQ or My Score IQ for $1, and it'll update every 30 days because the address of the credit bureaus, okay, is also on the credit reports that you get. And once you send these disputes out for these negative items in your credit report, they're going to respond every 30 to 45 days. Now, just know they're not going to respond like a week or two. It's been getting later and later that they respond, but they will respond. And if you have the credit monitoring with Identity IQ or My Score IQ, you can refresh it every 30 days to see what you did, if it worked, and re-strategize your plan to go ahead and get those negative items off your credit report, okay? We hear it all the time. Companies, clients, or people pay credit repair companies, and the work, they promise you, oh, you're going to get an 800 credit score. You're going to get everything deleted in 30 days. Next thing you know, you're out thousands of dollars, and you're back to square one, okay? So the truth is, by you repairing your credit on your own, it is a little bit more powerful. It is a little bit more time consuming. You just have to know how to do it. You have to know what you're doing. And it's okay if you learn along the way, because, I've been in business 15 years and I'm still learning and growing as well with Got Credit and teaching people and showing people and helping people with fixing their credit. All right. So let's go to truth number 2, is that time heals credit, but good habits last forever. I mean, this couldn't be farther from the truth. All right. This is kind of like going to the gym. All right. So credit repair is not like an instant thing. Like, you're not just going to go ahead and send a letter. All of a sudden, all your problems are gone. Now, the thing is you can actually get everything deleted depending on how you're repairing your credit, and you can get everything removed or a few things removed. All right. But you have to be consistent with the good habits and getting old of the bad habits in order for you to get that perfect 850 credit score. Okay. So as time goes on, even if things remain on your credit report that are negative, the older that it gets, the less it impacts you. So, let's say you have a charge off, you disputed it, it's not able to come off, it has a balance on it, you owe the money and you pay it. Just know though, that once you pay that charge off, that creditor might even allow you to reestablish a credit card again. So let's say if you have a Capital One credit card, you charged it off for $500, they settle for $300, it reports to the credit bureaus as paid. 2 months later, you go back to Capital One, they give you a $1,000 credit limit. It happens. We've seen it. So don't be surprised if you're able to settle with certain accounts and they reestablish credit again. And as time goes on, that paid charge off is not going to hurt you as much. And sometimes you just got to wait a little bit. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just got to wait. Even if you disputed it and it didn't come off, time heals, guys. So I promise you, you'll be okay. Make sure that you're adding new credit every 6 to 12 months. You're strategically applying for accounts. You're not applying frivolously. You're not applying for 5 credit cards every week. Okay, make sure you're paying your payments on time. And the most important thing is, as you're building your credit and as you're adding these new accounts on your credit report, you keep the balances as low as possible. I'm telling you, this is going to save you every single time. All right. So even if you have old collections, and even if you're able to settle those old collections and they don't come off, just keep disputing. Who knows, maybe year 3, 4, or 5, it might come off. But it's, I don't want you to think that just because you or myself dispute something, that it's automatically grounds for it to get deleted. Some things come back as verified. Some things come back as being accurate. And like I said, they're reporting within the 7-year time frame. And it happens. It's just unfortunately the way it is. So don't kick yourself in the butt thinking that you're going to have bad credit forever, because you're not. As long as you just keep building and keeping everything consistent with being adding these slow little steps to build credit, you'll be fine. All right. And truth number 3, which is my favorite, is that real credit repair is just about education. It's really all it is. It's all about just educating yourself on how the credit scoring system works, how the algorithm works. And I can tell you that as long as you're doing everything right, even if something goes wrong, you know how to fix it, you know how to pivot, you know how to get yourself out of that situation and put yourself in a better situation when it comes to your credit, okay? So I can tell you that if you're doing tricks to get things deleted from your credit report, if you're doing these little tactics, these little things, these little loopholes, that's what they are. They're loopholes. They're tricks. It's not real. It's not long-term. It might have happened one time. They got lucky with getting something deleted. Just be patient when it comes to fixing your credit, okay? Understand that what impacts your credit score is what is on your credit report. I think that's the biggest thing. I say this a lot. As long as you practice good habits in your credit report, you're paying on time, keeping debt down, you're not maxing anything out, your credit score is going to take care of itself, all right? So that's about it. Keep everything very simple. Here at Got Credit, if you need help along the way and you're like, listen, I know about credit repair, I know about building credit, I know about this, but unfortunately, I just don't have the time. That's where Got Credit comes in, and that's where we'll be able to help you with fixing your credit, removing those negative items from your credit report, and putting you in a position to win. Remember, credit repair does not take 30 days, okay? It can take 6 to 12 months to pretty much reset everything. Now, let's just say you have one collection account. You might just have to remove that one collection, maintain everything, and good to go. But if you're used to having charge-offs, a lot of late payments, maxed out credit cards, that's not going to take 30 days. That might take a good 12 solid months to put you in a really, really good plan, a really good position. But are you willing to sacrifice a year and invest in a year so that way you can have that 800-plus credit score years down the road? All right, so that's about it. If you have any questions, if you want to know anything about your current credit situation, if you want to schedule a call, you can comment below. You can go to our website, gotcredit.com, and we'll be able to answer any of your questions. But until the next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.